Hey, this is Craig with S&B. Today we're going to show you how to install a S&B air filter on a RZR 2024 RZR 1000 XP. First, we're going to start by removing both rear seats, pulling up on these red latches. Take out. All right, there's 4 tabs on this rear panel. Turn them counterclockwise, all 4. This panel pops out, exposing the airbox. All right, on the factory airbox, there's 5 clips securing the lid. Pop those open. Take the lid off. Slide the OE air filter off. And in. All right, next we're just going to install the S&B. Rotate this into position. You want to make sure the hose clamp's facing you, but there's a tab here that kind of locates the top of the air filter. You're going to want to rotate that into position. And then we're going to tighten our hose clamp. Another thing you want to do before you tighten up the airbox is check to make sure that the gasket on the airbox lid is intact and there's no creases in there. The new ones have a much better sealing surface than the older RZRs, but you put those tabs down and then secure all the clamps. All right, that's how you install the S&B air filter on a 2024 RZR 1000 XP. We're going to put the back panel back in, throw the seats in, and you're ready to roll.